Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a coffee face scrub at home. This natural scrub offers fantastic benefits for your skin. Coffee grounds provide gentle exfoliation, removing dead skin cells to reveal a fresh complexion. The caffeine can help reduce puffiness and improve blood flow, while antioxidants protect your skin from daily stressors. It's an easy way to achieve smoother, brighter skin. Making this scrub requires just a few common items you likely have. First, gather 2 tablespoons of finely ground coffee. Next, you'll need 1 tablespoon of a carrier oil, such as coconut, olive, or jojoba oil, to moisturize your skin. For an extra boost of hydration, add a half teaspoon of honey. You can also include a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a pleasant aroma. Now let's mix it up. Take a small, clean bowl and combine your 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds, 1 tablespoon of carrier oil, and half teaspoon of honey. Stir all the ingredients thoroughly until they form a consistent, spreadable paste. If the mixture seems too thick, add a tiny bit more oil. If too thin, add a little more coffee grounds. Aim for a smooth texture. Applying your homemade coffee scrub is simple. First, dampen your clean face. Then, take a small amount of the scrub and gently massage it onto your skin using small, circular motions for about 1 minute, being careful around your eyes. Rinse your face thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. Any leftover scrub can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.